Hi, and welcome to Unit 134 at 950 North Kings Road, right in the heart of West Hollywood, the Courtyards of West Hollywood. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo for sale for $650. Everything has been completely redone and updated. You can see a really nice built-in TV section, as well as an electric fireplace. It's a pretty large room. Right over here on the left, the last owners had some tables that were set up here and desks, so they had a working station for two. So there is room for that, as well as still room to have your couch and living room area. Look at this kitchen, it's really gorgeous. Everything has been redone, new cabinets, new appliances. This door right here is going to be painted and put on to cover the dishwasher, so that'll match and look perfect. Some nice large patio. Bedroom doors over there, so the bedroom also will enter out to the patio. So this is Sweetser, and we're actually raised above the ground level, so you'll never really see people walking by below coming up and down Sweetser. You'll just hear birds. So we have a beautiful washer and dryer. Closets here, as well as a whole row of closets on this side and this side, which we'll get to, but let's take a look at the bathroom. As well, this has been completely redone and lots of storage room. Big stand-up shower with a seat. Great fixtures, nice rain shower. I have lots of shelves here, and then this closet is with the sliding doors, but there's plenty of room to hang all the way through, as well as lots more storage here from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. And there's two cabinets here, which let me back up so you can see. You can see the hallway now a little better. And then as I turn around, you'll see the bedroom. And then the bedroom will look out onto this great patio. Again, this is about 800 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath at 950 Kings Road. I'm Anthony Mullen with the Collective Realty, and I'm happy to show this listing anytime you're ready. 310-569-1335.